Hi, Mini Mathsco team here to introduce you to our Virtual Careers Week.
Did you know that almost every job uses your basic maths skills day to day? Check out this range of videos to see how maths is used in a variety of jobs from STEM to hair and beauty.
And remember, maths counts.
Enjoy!
Hi, I'm Izzy. I'm a project manager at Vosis Limited, a subsidiary of Dana Incorporated. Vosis is an engineering consultancy specialising in control of gearboxes. If you've been lucky enough to drive some supercars, then you may have experienced our work. My role within Vosis is a project manager. Project management is essentially organising and managing resources, like people and facilities, to complete a defined piece of work between a set start point and a set end point. In Vosis, this involves managing small teams of engineers from different disciplines to deliver systems or products to automotive customers. Maths is essential in doing this. Projects revolve around time and cost, which are often linked. A project has a fixed time duration and commonly a fixed cost before it begins. The duration and cost are estimated based on summing estimations of smaller chunks of work. These small estimations arise from a combination of past experience and data on previous projects. The small estimations are then often subjected to statistical analysis to improve their accuracy. Another area where maths is key in project management is risks, things that may happen and will affect the project if they do. Risks are identified and monitored throughout the project, and maths is used to determine the probability of various risks to understand how likely they are to impact the project.